Hello friends, welcome to Affairs Cloud. My name is Vikas. How are you all today? So friends, let's start with our video. In today's video, we'll be looking at some of the important awards of the February month. The awards are so important that the questions can be tricky and can be framed like who got the award, when he got the award, what was the reason behind he getting the award, or all the other information related to that award can be asked. The questions nowadays are tricky, and if you will watch our video till the end, then you will be able to solve that all the tricky question asked in your exams very easily. All right, you just have to watch the video till the end and just take a note of all the information provided in the video. So let's start with the but before that, we have something interesting to tell you about. We have an app by the name Carriers Cloud which you can go and download through the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you will open the app and you will see this type of screen. In this, you can go and log in with your Google account, that is your Gmail ID. Then once you have logged in, then you will be moved to the this page where you can see a window. If you click on the current affairs section here, then you will be move to this page. Now this is where magic happens. This is the course where there are two courses provided by us. First, you should know it is of 1 year and 2 years, so choose your course accordingly. What we are providing and what is the reason behind that you should purchase course of current affairs from us, and what are the important details about it. First thing, you should know that we provide you current affairs in both English and Hindi. Okay. Also, we provide you here current affairs daily. PDFs are provided daily. The important factor here to remember is we are providing PDF to you daily. Okay, that contains question answers of the daily current affairs. They are explained in a much easy way where you can grasp the knowledge and do your revision. Okay, apart from app, we provide you with question answers. Then on every day we provide you 20 question answers quiz, daily 20 questions quiz. So imagine how much it will benefit you in your preparation. Then we provide you same thing for weekly. In weekly we take a quiz of 50 questions. Then question answers of week, we provide you a book, PDF is provided you weekly of the compiled questions of the whole week. Similarly for monthly also, ebook is given, your quizzes are taken, question answers PDF. Then apart from it, we also help you to prepare for banking papers. All the banking exams you can go refer to our videos and our courses here. You can see here the we provide you banking and economic quiz of 157 questions. Okay, then topic wise PDFs are covered. As you can see, we are making videos on indexes and reports, important days, the books and authors, all the events that are taking place in individual months. So these PDFs are provided to you and they will help you a lot in your preparation for journal awareness, your journal studies, as well as for current affairs. Then you can see we also provide you current affairs for state wise current affairs are provided to you. All you have to do is go and purchase the course. If you are a new aspirant, you can take course for 2 years, and if you are a previous aspirant and you have continued your preparation, then you can choose the course as per your wish. Another additional information you should know while buying the course, if you use the code Vikas10, and we have bought this code just for you, use the code Vikas10 and my friends, you will be getting straight 10% discount on the purchase you made. So you can save a lot of money by using our code Vikas10. Let's move to our video now. So the first award we'll be looking at is our SERB Women Excellence Award. SERB Women Excellence Award 2021. First of all, tell me the full form of SERB. What does SERB stands for? SERB stands for Science and Engineering Research Board. SERB stands for Science and Engineering Research Board. Alright, that is your SERB. Headquarter of SERB is in New Delhi. That was all related to SERB. This award, that is Science SERB Women Excellence Award, is given to the women in the that they have done something great or done extraordinary in the field of science. This award was recently given to 4 women, and they have done some like in the field chemical biology, health science, bio nanotech, nanotech, and another engineering fields. So four women were awarded with this award, and each of them received 15 lakh each, and they will be getting 5 lakh per annum rupees for at least 3 months. I repeat, this award has been provided to the women with extra amount of 15 lakh rupees each for a term of 3 years. That means 5 lakh per month they will be getting. All right, then apart from this, remember, we will be talking about the four names later. First of all, remember that this award was given on when 11th of February. That means this day is celebrated as International Day of Women and Girls in Science. 11th Feb is celebrated as International Day of Women and Girls in Science. So on 11th Feb, this award was announced, that is Serb Women Excellence Award of 2021. If we talk about the four women that received this award were, first was Shobna Kapoor. Shobna Kapoor. Second was your Dr. Antara Banerjee. Antara Banerjee. Third was your Dr. Sonu Gandhi. Dr. Sonu Gandhi. Fourth was your Dr. Ritu Gupta. Dr. Ritu Gupta. And if we talk about the fields in which they were awarded, these award were Shobna Kapoor was awarded this award in chemical biology. Dr. Antara Banerjee was awarded in health science. Sonu Gandhi was awarded in bio nanotech. And Dr. Ritu Gupta was awarded in nanotech. Alright, so this is an important award. Must know question can be framed for it. Next is your International Cricket, that is ICC award, ICC Player of the Month award. International Cricket Council Player of the Month award. Player of the Month award. Alright, who gives this award? Given by ICC. ICC is your International Cricket Award. Oh, International Cricket Council. Then remember, this was for men and women. In the men who received this award, it was given to Rishabh Pant. Rishabh Pant got the ICC Player of the Month award, and for women she was Shabnim Ismail. Shabnim Ismail. Alright, then if we talk about the ICC Player of the Month or Player of the Decade, I repeat, ICC Male Cricketer of the Decade, or we can say this award is also known as Sir Garfield Sobers Award. Sir Garfield Sobers Award. This award is also known as ICC Male Cricketer of the Decade. Male Cricketer of the Decade. Who received this award? It was given to Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli. And if we talk about women, the name of the award is Rachel Heyhoe Flint Award. Rachel Heyhoe Flint Award. This award is for ICC Female Cricketer of the Decade. Female Cricketer of the Decade award, and it was given to whom? The recipient of this award is Elsie Perry. Alice Perry, and she is from Australia. Virat Kohli is from India. Everybody should know. He is the most popular cricket player. Alright, then apart from this, remember that ICC, the headquarter of ICC is in Dubai. Alright, so that's all for your ICC Player of the Month award given by ICC. Next award is your Prani Mitra Award and Jiva Daya Award. As the name suggests, Prani and Jiva, they are related to animals or the wildlife protection. So the award is Prani Mitra Award and Jeev Daya Award. These awards are related to animal protection in the field of animal welfare and animal protection. For animal welfare and protection. Alright, Prani Mitra and Jeeva Daya Award. Then remember, 14 individuals received this award. 14 individuals or organizations received this award. Then remember, this year Vasant Panchami was celebrated as Jeev Jantu Kalyan Divas. Jeev Jantu Kalyan Divas. Alright, then important thing to remember about it is another question that Prani Mitra Award. Prani Mitra Award in corporate. Who got this award? It was given to Tata Trust Foundation. Tata Trust Foundation, and the headquarter of Tata Trust Foundation is in Mumbai. Alright, Prani Mitra in corporate. Apart from this, also remember the headquarter of Animal Welfare Board of India. Animal Welfare Board of India. Where is the headquarter? This is also known as Animal Welfare Board of India. Headquarter is in Haryana. Alright, the headquarter is in Haryana. Important question, important award, so much information. See, this is the related information I was talking about, that paper can ask anything, any tricky question can be asked in your paper. So these are the information related to this award, so they can be asked, so you should be prepared for it. Alright, so moving on to next award. Next is your Asia Environmental Enforcement Award. Asia Environmental Enforcement Award 2020. This award was given to whom? This award was given to WCCB, and this is for the second time that WCCB got this award. WCCB stands for Wildlife Crime Control Bureau. Alright, Wildlife Crime Control Bureau, WCCB, they got this award under the category Innovation. Under Innovation, they got this award. They got it for the second time, and also remember that Government of India was selected as one of the winners by UNEP. Alright, then moving on to the next award. Next award is your Scotch Chief Minister Award. Scotch Chief Minister Award. Alright, who received this award? It was given to Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy ji. Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. And he is the CM of Andhra Pradesh. He is CM of Andhra Pradesh. These both information are very, very important. Okay, this is most important question, you can say, that who got the Scotch Chief Minister Award. It was given to Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, and he is the CM of Andhra Pradesh. Alright, then who gave this award? Given by the chairman of Scotch Group. And if it is asked that who gives this award, it is given by Scotch Group. But here it was given by whom? By the chairman of Scotch Group. And who is the person? He is Samir Kochhar. Samir Kochhar. Alright, remember that also that this is the 66th Scotch Awards. This is the 66th edition of Scotch Awards. Alright, important Scotch Awards. Moving on to the next. Next is your Sanctuary Lifetime Service Award. Sanctuary Lifetime Service Award. All right, this award was given to Theodore Bhaskaran. Theodore Bhaskaran. Why this award is given? This award is given for wildlife conservation. For wildlife conservation. So, Sanctuary Lifetime Service Award is given to Theodore Bhaskaran for wildlife conservation. All right. Then remember Theodore Bhaskaran. He is a who? He is a conservation writer. He is conservation writer. He is historian. He is a naturalist. All right, and many more. So this award is given to Theodore Bhaskaran. He is a conservation writer, historian, naturalist, and he got this award for wildlife conservation. All right, then apart from this, remember Green Teacher Award. Green Teacher Award was given to Dr. P.V. Antony. Dr. P.V. Antony. Then the Young Naturalist Award. The Young Naturalist Award is given to whom? Given to Anurag Karekar. Anurag Karekar. All right. So this is an important award. Sanctuary Lifetime Service Award given to Theodore Bhaskaran for wildlife conservation. Green Teacher Award was given to Dr. P.V. Antony, and the Young Naturalist Award was given to Anurag Karekar. Moving on to the next award. Next is your Best Tableau Award. I repeat, the next award is your Best Tableau Award. This award was for the Republic Day Parade, and the Best Tableau award was given to UP's Tableau, and the theme of UP's Tableau was Ayodhya, the cultural heritage of UP. The cultural heritage of UP. All right. Who presented this award? This award was presented by Kiren Rijiju. Kiren Rijiju. And who Kiren Rijiju is? Kiren Rijiju is the Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports. Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports. All right, Kiren Rijiju ji. Then apart from it, if I ask you about the theme of Tripura, what was the theme of the tableau of Tripura? It was eco-friendly and Atmanirbhar. Eco-friendly and Atmanirbhar. And if I ask you about the theme of Uttarakhand, the theme was Dev Bhumi, the land of God. Dev Bhumi, the land of gods. All right. So this was for the Best Tableau Award. Got the award by UP. Was received by UP, and the theme was Ayodhya, the cultural heritage of UP. It was given by Kiren Rijiju ji, and he is the Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports. Also, the theme of Tripura was eco-friendly and Atmanirbhar, and for Uttarakhand the theme was Dev Bhumi, the land of gods. So the next award and the last award for the day is your awards of appreciation. It is award of appreciation. This award was given to MOTA. MOTA stands for Ministry of Tribal Affairs. All right, it was received by Ministry of Tribal Affairs under project category. Under the category project or project category. All right. Then during when this was award given? This was given during the 18th Computer Society of India Summit. During 18th CSI Summit. CSI is your Computer Society of India. And when was Computer Society of India started? The Computer Society of India was started in 1965. Who is the president of Computer Society of India? He is Gautam Mahapatra. Gautam Mahapatra. And the headquarter, if we talk about the headquarter is in Mumbai. All right, of Computer Society of India. Then, apart from this, remember the first state to start an e-cabinet in India. First state to start e-cabinet in India. Which was the first state to start e-cabinet in India? The state was Uttarakhand. Okay, Uttarakhand was the first state to start e-cabinet in India. Then, which state won the award for excellence for smart water management system? Award of excellence for smart water management system. Okay, which was the state? The state was Odisha. The name of the state was Odisha. All right, apart from this, remember that this award of excellence for smart water management system was received by Odisha under which scheme? Under Sujal Drink from Tap Mission. Sujal Drink from Tap Mission. Under this mission, Odisha won the award for excellence in smart water management system. So these were some of your awards for February month, and let's revise them once again so that they can be beneficial to you. Let's start. First is your Serb Women Excellence Award 2021. It is given in the field of science and engineering. Okay, and as SERB stands for Science and Engineering Research Board. Headquarter is in New Delhi. It was received by 4 women. Each women got 15 lakh and they will be getting 5 lakh each for 3 years. This award was given on 11th of February. 11th of Feb is celebrated as International Day of Women and Girl in Science. The name of 4 women and the field in which they got the award were Shobna Kapoor, Chemical Biology, Dr. Antara Banerjee, Health Science, Dr. Sonu Gandhi, Bio-Nanotech, and Dr. Ritu Gupta in Nanotech. Next is your ICC Player of the Month Award. The ICC Player of the Month Award was received in the men's category by Rishabh Pant and in females category by Shabnim Ismail. It is given by ICC, that is your International Cricket Council. Then ICC Male Cricketer of the Decade Award is given to Virat Kohli, and this award is known as Sir Garfield Sobers Award. This is most important. Okay, Sir Garfield Sobers Award is given to Virat Kohli, and this award is for Male Cricketer of the Decade. Similarly, for women, Raquel Hayhoe Flint Award, that is your ICC Female Cricketer of the Decade Award, is given to Alice Perry, and she is from Australia. And the headquarter of ICC is in Dubai. All right, next is your Prani Mitra and Jeeva Daya Award. This was given for the animal welfare and protection. This award is received by 14 individuals and organization. Then on Vasant Panchami, we celebrated Jeev Daya Kalyan Divas. Then Prani Mitra Award in corporate was given to Tata Trust Foundation, which is in Mumbai, and Animal Welfare Board of India, that is AWBI, is in Haryana. Next is your Asia Environmental Enforcement Award. It is received by WCCB, that is your Wildlife Crime Control Bureau. It was received by second time by WCCB, and it was received under the innovation category. All right. Then next is your Scotch Chief Minister Award. Scotch Chief Minister was given to the YS Jagan Mohan Reddy, and he is the CM of Andhra Pradesh. Who gave this award? This award was given by chairman of Scotch Group, that is Samir Kochar. And if the question is that which group or this award is given by whom, this is given by Scotch Group. This is your 66th Scotch Award or the 66th edition of the Scotch Awards. Next is your Sanctuary Lifetime Service Award. This award has been given to, or who has been honored with Sanctuary Lifetime Service Award. He is Theodore Bhaskaran. He is a conservation writer, historian and naturalistic. He got the award for wildlife conservation. Then Green Teacher Award is given to Dr. P.V. Antony. The Young Naturalistic Award is given to Anurag Karekar. Alright, then next is your Best Tableau Award. Best Tableau Award was given to the UP, and the theme of the UP's tableau was Ayodhya, the cultural heritage of UP. The award was given by Kiran Rijiju. Kiran Rijiju is the Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports. Then the theme of Tripura was eco-friendly and Atmanirbhar. Uttarakhand's tableau's theme was Devbhumi, the land of gods. The next was your, and the last award for the day is Award for Appreciation. This was given to MOTA or Ministry of Tribal Affairs. This was given under project category, and this was given during the 18th CSI, that is your Computer Society of India. CSI stands for Computer Society of India. During 18th Computer Society of India, this award was given, and the headquarter of CSI is in Mumbai. It started in 1965, and the president of CSI is Gautam Mahapatra. The first state to start e-cabinet in India was Uttarakhand, and the award of excellence for smart water management system was given to Odisha state. Under which category? Under Suraj drink from tap mission. This is Sujal drink from tap mission. Remember this, important, very important, very important. These two questions you should know, that first state to start e-cabinet was Uttarakhand, and the award for excellence for smart water management system was given to Odisha. Under which mission? Under Suraj under Sujal drink from tap mission. Alright, so these were some of the important awards of February month. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got very much information from this. Hope you liked the video. If you like, do like the click the like button and share this video with your friends, so that they can also know how amazing and how good and beneficial our Affair Clouds YouTube channel is. Also, if you are new to channel, subscribe to our channel. It will help us, it will motivate us to make a better content for you guys. And in the end, Vikas signing off.